Square Garden about to get on their feet here for game one. We're about to be on the rift with Team Solo Mid versus Counter Logic Gaming.
Very low mana for Bjergsen. He's right now in this fight. Zion's Spartan getting hit. Chaos Storm is absolutely shredding Team Solo Mid.
I got the Q on Bjergsen. I'm ulti. Kill Bjergsen. Jenna. I thought the go.
Let's go. Very convincing from Counter Logic Gaming.
Super mega death rocket. Timer. 3, 2, 1. Misses out just underneath. Not gonna get it that time. It's a triple for double lift. He's looking for Bjergsen.
Counter Logic Gaming go 2 in a row versus Team Solo Mid.
Get it. Get the stun. Nice. Watch it. Dragons. Nice. You guys have this. Get him. Coming. Dragon right now.
Stronger. The double kill. The triple kill now coming in for Pole Bouncer. Double is gonna clean one up.
And now taking down Team Solo Mid at Madison Square Garden to be your 2015 Summer Split champions.